Well, absolutely number one, I would say, is when your treating physician actually comes into the hearing and testifies. Although it's rare, it's powerful evidence. I've never lost a case where a treating physician has come to testify at a disability hearing. Never. Other winning evidence is when your treating physician has created or drafted a narrative report, typically in response to your lawyer's questioning of the doctor or request for a narrative report, in which a lawyer who is competent has advised what has to be included in the narrative letter that your treating physician is about to write. In that narrative letter, when your treating physician not only diagnoses what you have and supports the diagnosis with the medical and laboratory reports, your clinical signs, but also in the report can translate those clinical signs and those laboratory and diagnostic findings and gives an opinion as to how they limit you in work-related functions like walking, standing, and sitting for prolonged periods, or lifting and carrying heavy items, or bending repeatedly in a typical workday. If your treating physician does that in a narrative letter, that is typically winning evidence. It's powerful and persuasive. Other evidence that is very powerful is when you have a letter of termination from your employer because of the complaints that you've made to your doctor, which might include drowsiness, excessive drowsiness. If you've been repeatedly sleeping on the job, or even found sleeping one time, that's grounds for firing. And if you have a letter from an employer stating as much, that is winning evidence. Other winning evidence is evidence of trying every possible thing that your doctor recommends. If, for example, you suffer with migraines and your doctor has recommended removing carpeting, putting in tiling instead, removing toxic substances in the house, in the home, receipts for the workmanship or the replacement of carpet to tile, all of that is proof of the severity of your complaints. Just look to the lengths that you've gone, that is, to change your home, adding a humidifier, whatever the doctor recommended, so that you might avoid triggers that are common in triggering headaches, migraine headaches. If you have proof of those extenuating circumstances that you took to follow the doctor's recommendations, all of that lends credibility to the seriousness and suffering that you describe and is clearly powerful and persuasive winning evidence. Hi, this is Stuart Barasch, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube or a like on Facebook. I also encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link to do so is on the screen. I also invite you to call me directly if you have a Social Security disability claim and would like some honest and good information about how to handle your case. I can be reached at 305-915-3319 or send me an email at stuartbarasch@gmail.com.